world is moving increasingly out of sync. Our planet's climate, environment and natural resources are at risk all around the globe. Supplies of many of the raw materials needed by industrial businesses are getting dangerously low. What can we do to help our planet get back in sync? The REMONDIS Lippe Plant, Europe's largest industrial recycling centre. A location in which more than 400 million euros have already been invested. From here, urgently needed recyclable materials are recovered from industrial waste and returned to industrial production cycles. Covering 230 hectares, it provides jobs for more than 1,400 people, 24 hours a day, the whole year round. Each year, more than 1.6 million tons of residual materials are delivered to the site and transformed into over 1 million tons of raw materials and products. The rest is used to generate energy. The Lippe plant has an ideal infrastructure, with its own perfect water system and environmentally friendly power stations that generate around 300,000 megawatt-hours of energy. Moreover, it has an intelligent logistics system which cleverly unites all the different activities. Here, the dismantling center first removes any hazardous substances from waste electrical and electronic equipment. For example, large and small domestic appliances, screens and fridges from which the dangerous CFCs are extracted and made safe to help prevent climate change. All the appliances are then shredded and sorted. The raw materials recovered from the equipment, such as plastics, metals, wood, glass and over 100 other materials and products, are returned to suitable industrial production processes. This is the building where aluminium and white minerals are produced. Both products were developed and patented by REMONDIS. Aluminium is a very versatile and high-quality sodium aluminate and is used, for example, to process drinking water or to remove pollutants from wastewater. This aluminium and other high-quality recycled raw materials are used to produce gypsum, a synthetic mineral that contains neither harmful biocides, preservatives nor softeners. Perfect for glossy products and with a high covering capacity, gypsum is a popular product for refining the surfaces of high-quality glossy paper, for food packaging, or as a white mineral for producing premium emulsion or eco-friendly paints. This is where old plastic, packaging and HDPE bottles are recycled into new high-quality raw materials. The waste materials are first shredded and cleaned before being transformed into compounds and plastic granulates using a number of special processes. These raw materials are ideal for manufacturing a whole range of products, including pipes, wall plugs, casing for electrical appliances and vehicle parts. This facility handles gypsum. Every year, more than 350,000 tons of this valuable secondary raw material are delivered from the desulphurisation plants at the nearby power stations and transformed into top-quality binding agents and additives. Using a truly unique production process, the facility creates products with excellent properties, making them an ideal admixture for porous concrete, floor screed and fertilizers, as well as for specialty dentistry products. Huge volumes of organic and garden waste are delivered to the Lippe plant. Using an enclosed system, the composting facility first processes the materials separately before sending them to the composting and hygienization units. By doing so, REMONDIS is able to produce specific compost products for a whole range of very different applications, which even meet the stringent requirements for growing specialty organic crops. Popular among farmers, landscapers and gardeners, these products help ensure vital substances are returned to the soil. Here at the Lippe plant, the environmentally friendly diesel EcoMotion is produced from residual waste. Absolutely no energy crops are needed to produce this sustainable form of biodiesel, as it is based entirely on animal fat and used cooking oils. As a result, greenhouse emissions are cut by up to 83% and valuable fossil fuel resources conserved. REMONDIS is working for the future, carrying out R&D activities to create innovative technologies. Such technologies are essential for modern recycling systems as they help ensure valuable recyclable materials can be recovered for a whole range of industrial sectors. Highly efficient recycling processes, such as those found here at the Lippe plant, are essential if we are to have a secure supply of raw materials in the future, if vital resources are to be preserved, and if climate change is to be prevented. This is what is needed to get the world we live in back in sync. REMONDIS, working for the future.